Hello viewers, welcome to class 10 ICSC board Foundation Mathematics by R.S. Agrawal, Goel Brothers Publications. We are with chapter measures of central tendency, and in that one we are going to talk about mean, and we are with episode 9.7.1. We are still with the question number 16 and we have to complete it with the 17. So in this episode we are going to complete question number 16 and 17. So let us work it out. Question number 16, it is with the help of shortcut method. So we'll start. 1 minute. Okay, so we'll start here. Answer number 16 by shortcut method. So x bar is equal to assume mean plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. So we require to have class marks, we require to have our frequency. Di means what? Di means xi minus a, as well as we require fi di. So these are the things that we require in the data. So now xi for 16 some height in centimeter is given 58, 60, 62, 65, 66, 68, and the corresponding frequency is related to that one. For Fi, frequency for 58 is how many or how much? 15, 14, 20, 18, 8, 5. Now count how many observations we are going to have. We are going to have 58, 15, 60, 14, 62, 20, 65, 18, 66, 8 and 68, 5. Now in the frequencies, if you see, there are total number of groups that what we are having is 6. So you cannot take the middle one. So what I do, I'll choose the frequency which is highest. Which frequency is highest? 20 is the highest. And which one is the opposite one to 20? That is 62. So 62 is our assumed mean. So we are assuming 62 as our assumed mean. So this is our A. So here xi, so 62 minus 62, that is equal to 0. 60 minus 62, that is equal to minus 2. 58 minus 62, that is equal to 4, but minus 4. Here 65 minus 62, it is 3. Here 66 minus 62, it is 4. And here 68 minus 62, it is 6. So you got, now we got di, now we require fi di. Now 15 fours are minus 4, that means it is minus 60. 4 minus, here it comes 28, that 20 multiplied by 0 is 0. 18 threes are 54, 8 fours are 32, 5 6 are 30. Here we require sigma fi di. So now this becomes minus 88 and this becomes 616. 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11. Now it is 116 minus 88. So out of 16, so let us work it out here. I can make it very easily, but some students are making mistakes. So 116 minus 88. Here 0, here 16, here 2 and here 8. So answer is what? 28. Now placing the value of, placing the value of fi di a and sigma fi. So here if you add sigma fi, you will be getting 80. So you got all the values, then replace it. I am moving down, I don't want to do it in that area. So here, so x bar is equal to 28. Hold on, but first of all I require to have a. What is my a? 62 plus 28 upon 80. Now 28 upon 80 you have to calculate. So 62 plus, what is the division of 28 upon 80? You can work it out as 7 4s are 28 and 20. So you get 7 upon 20. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. You get x bar is equal to 62 plus 35 upon 100. That gives me what? X bar is equal to 62 plus 0.35. So if you add what you will get? You will get 62.35. So this is our answer. This is our mean, and make a box. So this is how we do the sum. It is pretty simple. Let us move on to sum number 17. Sum number 17 says the number of matchsticks contains 50 match boxes in a given is given below. So number of matchsticks contained in a 50 match boxes. So match boxes है और उस match boxes के अंदर कितने नंबर की matchsticks है वो सब दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो नाउ 40 वाले 6, 42 वाले 7, 43 वाले 12, 44 वाले 9 है, 45 वाले 10 है और 48 वाले 6 है. So total number of match boxes is how much? 50. In that one they contains matchsticks and we have to find out the mean, right, by using shortcut method. So our answer begins from here. So let us start from our answer. Okay, so here answer, which one? 17. Sigma Fi is given how much? How many boxes are there? 50 boxes are there. So 50 is our sigma Fi. So we will write down the Xi and we are going to write down Fi. So now Xi is how much? 40. Xi is how much? 40, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 48. And Fi 6, 7, 12, 9, 10 and 6. What do you require here? Hold on, I require Di. Di is equal to what? Xi minus A. Let me clear it so it becomes nice, because I was going to write Ui, but it is Xi minus A. So after Xi minus A, what do you require? Fi Di. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we'll take the frequency of the highest frequency of that particular group. So highest frequency of the particular group is which one? 12. So our assumed mean is 43. So here 43 minus 43, 0. Here 42 minus 43, minus 1. Here 40 minus 43, minus 3. Here 44 minus 43, 1. Here 45 minus 43, here 2. Here 48 minus 43, here 5. So here you got the values here. Now 6 into 3 minus 18. 7 into minus 1, 6 into 3 means that is minus 3. 7 ones are 7 and minus 7. So this one is coming up to what? Minus 25. This becomes 0. 9 ones are 9. 10 twos are 20. 6 fives are 30. So here it comes 59. So here if you add, here sigma Fi you require and here you require sigma Fi Di you require. So here sigma Fi is how much? It's already said it is, how many boxes are there? 50 boxes are there. So this is 50. And if you add or subtract, if you add, then it becomes like this: 59 plus bracket minus 25. That's what I mean. and here it is 59 minus 25. So how much? 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. So it is how much? 34. Now we have to place the value. So x bar is equal to, what is our A? 43 plus 34 upon 50. Multiply by denominator and numerator by 2. You get 43 plus here 68 upon 100. So that comes up to 43.68 is my answer. So x bar is how much? 43.68. I hope you understood this one, but they are asking second question also. How extra matchsticks needed, that is how many extra matchsticks needed to add all the contents of 50 matchbox to bring the mean exactly equal to 45. So that means here we require to make 45. So we have to make 45. Our x bar that we require to make is 45. Obtained x bar, that is obtained mean, is how many? 43.68. So what is the difference? So x bar is equal to 45 minus 43.68. That comes up to how much? It comes up to 1.32. It comes up to 1.32. So 45 minus 43.68 is 1.32. And what is the total number of boxes? The total number of boxes is equal to 50. Therefore, extra match stick is equal to what? 50 multiplied by 1.32. That will give you how many matchsticks? 66. So this is our answer. So I hope you understood this one. If you have any doubts or any sort of a question, please let me know. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks very much, guys. Thanks for your patience. And I hope you understood.